If your exterior paint is blistering or peeling, you must diagnose the root cause before repainting to avoid repeating the same failure. Start by inspecting for trapped moisture by tapping suspect areas and using a moisture meter set to wood or masonry as appropriate. If moisture reads above 12% in wood or is elevated in masonry address drainage, flashing and ventilation first, because painting over wet substrate locks moisture in and causes new blisters. Check adhesion by performing a tape pull test on a small area and by scraping back to bare substrate to see if failure is between coats or between paint and surface. Incompatible systems such as oil over latex or coatings applied without proper primers require removal or adhesion promotion and the correct primer selection based on substrate and previous coating type. Consider heat and solar blistering, especially on dark colors and sun-exposed elevations, since absorbed heat can vaporize trapped solvents or moisture and lift the film. Switch to lighter reflective colors, or choose coatings formulated for high temperature resistance and allow full cure between coats. Always perform thorough surface preparation by removing all loose paint, cleaning with a detergent or trisodium phosphate substitute, and allowing the surface to dry fully, then feather edges and spot prime with a compatible primer that promotes adhesion and breathability on porous substrates. For underlying substrate damage such as rot or efflorescence, repair or replace material and treat for salts before repainting because new paint will fail quickly on compromised surfaces. Follow manufacturer recoat windows and use thin, even coats applied in suitable temperature and humidity ranges to reduce solvent entrapment and uneven curing. Homeowners commonly assume sanding and painting over failed areas will fix it, but that ignores trapped moisture and leads to repeat failure. So remove loose paint to sound substrate and resolve moisture pathways first. Many people misidentify adhesion failure as poor paint quality when the actual issue is incompatible previous systems or lack of primer. So test adhesion and choose a primer formulated for the existing coating type and substrate. A third common issue is skipping substrate cleaning, which leaves dirt, chalk, or salts that block adhesion. So wash and neutralize salts, let the surface dry, and then proceed with proper priming and top coat application. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and explore project examples related to exterior painting and repair. And we provide a discussion community where neighbors and professionals share experiences and practical tips on diagnosing paint failure. We help contractors find work by enabling them to showcase past projects and participate in conversations that build trust and lead to referrals.